Okay guys, today we're taking a look at the 79 Beach Club and Resort Koh Samui. This is an adults only hotel. It's the party hotel. This hotel was built in 2024, so it is brand new. I recorded this in November of 2024. This is Bo Pit Beach. It's a beautiful beach. The hotel is located in Bo Pit, not too far from the airport. It's a beautiful beach, even nicer at night in the dark. The main feature of this hotel is the swimming pool and all the seating areas around this amazing pool. This is set up for some serious daytime drinking. According to the reviews, the music stops at midnight here. When I was there, when I did this walkthrough, there was music playing, not too loud, nothing crazy. But at night it was really quiet. I walked by here twice, once on the beach and once on the road, because I wasn't staying in this hotel, I was staying next door. And it was really quiet. I expected a lot of very loud music, but it wasn't. This hotel has a 9.3 out of 10 rating on Agoda, but there's only 23 reviews. Like I said, this is a brand new hotel. I will put the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check this place out, see what the rooms look like, see what the room prices are on your dates. One of many bars in this swimming pool, but that one's a swim up bar. Really cool, yeah? Lots of cool places to sit. Not that many people there when I was there, but in the nighttime it seemed to be even quieter. Right now this hotel is going for 7,136 baht for the night before taxes. That's about 210 US dollars. Here's out on the road. Doesn't seem to be any parking here. I might be wrong on that, but it doesn't look like there's any parking here. Other than the few spots on the road, as you can see, no parking. Open air lobby, really nice. The do's and the don'ts sign. But like I said, the main feature here is this amazing swimming pool. It reminds me of something you would see in a Mexican resort or somewhere throughout the Caribbean. Very unusual for Thailand in my opinion, but a very cool place. Maybe it's just because it's new, it's a new concept, I don't know, but very unique for this region, that's for sure. But it looks amazing. Like I said, I'll put a link to Agoda in the video description if you want to go and check it out. This place is considered 4 stars. I would say the swimming pool is closer to 5-star quality in my opinion, but the fact that it's brand new does make it look nice, that's for sure. More bars. There's a lot of them around the pool, that's for sure. And apparently, according to the reviews, food's pretty good here too. Place to clean the sand off your feet. This is a really nice beach, like I said, very nice. And there's a million places to sit here and just relax. Alright guys, there it is. That's a look at the 79 Beach Club and Resort in Koh Samui, a brand new hotel. That's adults only. Just sitting out here on this beach at night in the dark is really, really nice, let me tell you. I was staying in the hotel next door. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.